everyone, hope you're doing well. Welcome back to a new video. Today in this video, I'll be discussing the key features of YouTube, that how you can earn money while working on YouTube, as everyone wants to earn money. So here are some key factors, features, or strategies. While acting upon these strategies, you can make much more money on YouTube in 2024. So let's get started, and don't miss any of these steps or any of these policies or pathways. So be connected till the end. Number one, you can join the YouTube Partner Program to monetize by monetizing your videos through ads. You need to monetize your videos through ads. You need to join the YouTube Partner Program. Eligibility criteria include having 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months and 1,000 subs. Once accepted, you can enable monetization on your videos and start earning revenue from ads shown before, during, or after your videos. Secondly, you can explore multiple revenue streams besides ad revenues. Consider diversifying your income streams. This can include channel membership. You can offer perks like badges, emojis, and exclusive content to subscribers who pay a monthly fee. Or you can merchandise shelf. You can sell branded merchandise directly below your video through YouTube's integrated merch shelf feature. Or you can super chat, or you can earn money, allow viewers to purchase and highlight their messages during live streams. That is super chat and super stickers feature in your YouTube studio. Then you can use YouTube premium revenue, earn a share of revenue generated from YouTube premium subscribers who watch your content without ads. Another way is affiliate marketing, of course, that you can promote products or services in your videos and include affiliate links in your video descriptions. You'll earn a commission when viewers make purchases through your links. Let's talk about another very big opportunity as a YouTube partner. You can get sponsorships and brand deals. You can collaborate with brands or companies that align with your channel's niche. They may sponsor your videos or pay you to promote their products or services to your audience. Let's talk about another feature, another way, that is crowdfunding. You can use platforms like Patreon or Ko-fi to allow your viewers to support you directly with donations or subscriptions in exchange for exclusive content or perks. Another way is you can create and sell your own products or services, or you can leverage your channel's audience to sell digital products, courses, or services that cater to their interests and need. Or you can build a strong brand and audience engagement by consistently creating high quality content that resonates with your audience. Engage with your viewers through comments, community posts, and live streams to build a loyal following. And in the end, I would love to tell you about that you have to stay updated with YouTube policies and best practices. YouTube's policies and algorithm frequently changes. Stay informed to avoid penalties and maximize your channel's visibility and revenue potential. So these were some tips. These were the ways that I thought to share with you guys, that you could be able to make maximum amount of money out of your YouTube channel. I hope you like the video. Stay connected and give me your positive feedback on this topic in the comment section. I'll be waiting for your feedback. I'll see you in some other video. That's all for today. Till then, take care of yourself and your loved ones. See ya.